السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله وكفى والسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل يا أيها الكافرون لا أعبد ما تعبدون ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد لكم دينكم ولي دين. Respected President, honorable judges, dear teacher and my friends. First of all, I greet you with Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers, I want to speak before you on the topic of disbelievers. So please hear me and act upon advice. Friend, Allah Almighty revealed a complete surah for disbelievers, namely Surah Al-Kafirun, and has said that disbelieving and believing do not accompany each other in one heart. Allah has said in Surah Al-Kafirun, Ya ayyuhal kafirun, la a'budu ma ta'budun. Say, O disbelievers, I do not worship that which you worship. Wala antum a'biduna ma a'bud. Nor do we worship the one whom I worship. Wala na'bidun ma abadtum. And neither I am going to worship that which you have worshipped. وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ. Nor will you worship the one whom I worship. لَكُمْ دِينُكُمْ وَلِيَ دِينِ. For you, your faith. For me, my faith. Dear listeners, belief or disbelief. Islam ends disbelief in Allah. Believe in Allah and infinity are like fire and water. Fire and water can get in one place. Like this, believe in Allah and disbelieve in Allah can gather in one heart. Muslims mean being thankful to Allah. Mu'mins mean being thankful to the sustainer of the world. Believers in Allah mean of submission to the master of the day of judgment. Kafir means otherwise. Kafir means being thankless to Allah, thankless to the sustainer of the world, the master of the day of judgment. Brothers in Islam, so we have to believe in Allah, we have to keep friendship with Allah, we have to near and dear one to the Muslims. Likewise, we must be away from kafir, from the friendship of kafir, from law of kafir. May Allah make up true Muslims. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.